We are not bullish enough on Bitcoin as major companies are raising billions to buy more. And are these two altcoins going to the moon in 2024? This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, altcoinbuzz.io, and as always, not financial advice, and wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. We've just launched our Altcoin Buzz Discord, and you can now join us to chat, research, and identify the next big moves in crypto, along with some free alpha. So join us in our new Discord with the link down below. Bitcoin miner Marathon Digital said it plans to sell $250 million of convertible notes in a private placement to fund purchases of Bitcoin and general corporate purposes. The notes will pay interest every 6 months and mature on September 1st, 2031, and the rate of interest and conversion rate will be set during the pricing process. The company already holds more Bitcoin than its peers, with a stash of more than 20,800 Bitcoin, valued at $1.2 billion at current prices. That's more than double the next biggest, which is Hut 8. Marathon sold 51% of its Bitcoin mined in the second quarter to fund its operating costs. However, it recently announced at about $100 million worth of Bitcoin in the open market and readopted a strategy to fully hold all Bitcoin in its balance sheet. And Avax shared on X that public companies are raising to buy more Bitcoin. MicroStrategy $2 billion, Mara or Marathon Digital $250 million, Semler Scientific $150 million, Metaplanet $70 million. You're not bullish enough. Meanwhile, Eric Balchunas shared that US ETFs are on track to pass Satoshi in Bitcoin held in October, and BlackRock alone is already in third place and on pace to be number one late next year, and will likely stay there for a very long time. Is Polkadot going to make a comeback this cycle? Not a lot of people are talking about Polkadot, but they are moving from Polkadot 1.0 to 2.0 with some greatly improved features that could make it prime for a big move in 2024. Polkadot 2.0 introduces a dynamic and flexible economic model for managing computational resources through 3 technical upgrades: agile core time, elastic scaling, and asynchronous backing. These enhancements enable Polkadot to function similarly to Amazon Web Services or Azure, where storage and computing capabilities are purchased, allocated, and scheduled to scale dynamically based on business needs. And these upgrades offer comparable benefits to blockchain projects. High-demand projects will be able to execute more transactions in the same amount of time, increasing their revenue, while early-stage projects will only pay for core time as needed. This combination of technical advancements provides flexible, scalable resources that adapt to the demands of various on-chain projects, enhancing their performance and efficiency. Collectively, these features position Polkadot as a Web3 cloud computer capable of seamlessly adapting to various demands. Agile core time addresses these inefficiencies by enabling the dynamic allocation of computational resources, aligning resource availability more closely with actual network demand. This adaptive approach ensures that resources are not only more efficiently used, but also more accessible to a broader range of projects. It enables scale and agility, making it cost-effective for new developers to build on Polkadot without compromising security or decentralization. As of elastic scaling, building upon agile core time, this addresses the limitations of the single core model and improves the management of computational resources on Polkadot. By enabling parachains to utilize multiple cores within the same Polkadot chain block, elastic scaling increases network throughput and handles higher transactional loads efficiently. While agile core time facilitates dynamic resource allocation to align with the network demand, elastic scaling optimizes this process through concurrent processing capabilities, and this ensures that the projects can scale seamlessly as demand grows, preventing bottlenecks and enhancing performance. And lastly, asynchronous backing optimizes the process of block generation and validation by enhancing the efficiency and throughput of parablocks. It reduces block time by half, from 12 to 6 seconds, enabling parallel transaction validation and block production. This delivers up to 10 times higher throughput for Polkadot's parachain consensus protocol and allowing for the storage of 4 times more data within each block. This results in faster and more efficient transactions, lower fees, and the ability to support more complex and data-intensive applications, attracting more users and developers to the network. Now we'll just have to see if this is enough to bring more attention to Polkadot this cycle. Helium, a blockchain-based network designed for the Internet of Things, experienced a price surge of 12% on August 13th, making it one of the leading gainers in the crypto market. The crypto asset's daily trading volume jumped by 56%, hovering around $25.2 million, while its market cap stood at $1.14 billion, ranking 65th among the top largest cryptocurrencies. The token's price has jumped by 20% since it's dropped to $5.66 yesterday, when Bitcoin fell by 4%. But despite its recovery to levels last seen on March 21st, HNT is still down 88% from its all-time highs of $55.20 recorded in November 2021. Helium, established in 2013, has developed a global decentralized blockchain network that supports wireless communication for IoT devices. This network offers a scalable and cost-effective alternative to conventional telecom services by allowing individuals to set up network points through hotspots. The latest surge follows Helium's partnership with two major US carriers. These carriers are conducting trials to offload their mobile traffic to the Helium network, potentially leading to a shift towards a more decentralized network infrastructure. The Avalanche ecosystem is experiencing a renewed surge of enthusiasm with the launch of the Avalanche Foundation's Boost campaign. This strategic initiative is designed to revitalize the decentralized finance or DeFi sector, echoing the exuberance of the 2020 to 2021 DeFi boom while laying a solid foundation for sustainable growth and innovation. The Boost campaign targets the core challenges of liquidity provision, aiming to enhance market depth, reduce slippage, and increase price stability across the network. By offering substantial incentives and fostering community engagement, Avalanche seeks to solidify its position as a leading platform in the DeFi space. And the House of Chimera adds that financial institutions are using or testing Avax as a distributed ledger, saying currently, major financial institutions are testing or utilizing the evergreen Avalanche Layer 1s to experiment or build blockchain-based financial products. Lately, a proof of concept by JP Morgan's Onyx, among others, was introduced. Additionally, Citi has developed a blockchain-based application for pricing and executing bilateral spot foreign exchange trades. On top of that, Avax has been at the forefront of gaming lately, and they shared on X, it's clear that people want to play off the grid, the first blockchain game on PS5. The closed playtest saw 400,000 transactions from 30,000 players this past weekend alone. With all the gaming activity and new renewed boost of DeFi and Avax, with major institutions coming on board, we could also see Avax do well later this year. Space and Time Labs, the Microsoft MTOL-backed company building the verifiable compute layer for AI and blockchain, today announced the appointment of Rika Kurdayan as Chief Legal Officer. Space and Time is the verifiable compute layer for AI and blockchain that joins tamper-proof on-chain and off-chain data to deliver enterprise use cases to smart contracts and LLMs or large language models. Space and Time has developed a novel cryptography called Proof of SQL that allows developers to connect analytics directly to smart contracts, opening up a wealth of powerful new use cases and business logic on blockchain technology. Space and Time is built from the ground up as a multi-chain data platform for developers in financial services, gaming, DeFi, or any project requiring verifiable data across enterprises, blockchain, and AI. Enrica Kurdayan is a seasoned legal expert with extensive experience in cryptocurrency and blockchain. Most recently, she served as a U.S. Chief Legal Officer for Bitstamp, the world's longest-running global cryptocurrency exchange that entered an agreement to be acquired by Robinhood Markets in June.